This is Xavier Rudd from Australia, and I'm here at Roig Arena, and I'm stoked to be in Valencia. Hope to see you again. Roig, is it?
Roig Arena.
Yeah, I can't. Paella? How do you say? Paella. I can't even. Oh, it's been cool. All you people are really beautiful and friendly, and I love Spain. I've never been to Valencia before. It's my first time. So yeah, it's just nice to be here, and it's a beautiful day, and the people will bring the energy, but the venue is nice. It sounds good. I did sound check, and the sound is good. I do like Spain in general, all over. I love Spain. It's cool. I love the Spanish people, the passion, the culture. It's cool. Oh, it's a bit hard to say. I mean, it's going to be different because I use a lot of handmade instruments, Australian instruments. I use the yidaki, which is known around the world as the didgeridoo, but the traditional name is yidaki, which is a tree that's been eaten by termites that you play, circular breathe, and it'll be high energy and something unique for Valencia for sure.